Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Bootstrap in a React UI codebase, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the React project where Bootstrap is installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the root directory of your React project. Once in the root directory, you can check the current packages by running the command npm list bootstrap. This will show you the version of Bootstrap currently installed if it exists. Next, you'll want to uninstall Bootstrap. To do this, execute the command npm uninstall bootstrap. After the uninstallation process is complete, confirm that Bootstrap has been removed. You can do this by running the npm list bootstrap command again. If Bootstrap is no longer listed, the uninstallation was successful. Now, you should remove any Bootstrap imports from your project files. Open your project in a code editor. Search for any occurrences of Bootstrap in your project's source code. This often includes files where you might have imported Bootstrap CSS or JavaScript. Common places to check include your app.js or index.js files. Once you find any Bootstrap imports, delete those lines of code. Next, check your components for any Bootstrap-specific classes. If any components are using Bootstrap classes, you'll need to refactor those. Replace Bootstrap classes with equivalent styles from your own CSS or a different UI library. After refactoring is complete, thoroughly test your application. Ensure that all components render correctly and that there are no visual regressions. Once testing is finished, you can commit your changes to your version control system. This will create a clear history of the uninstallation process. Finally, consider cleaning up unnecessary files, like any Bootstrap-related style or script files that might have been added manually. You're all set. Bootstrap has now been successfully removed from your React UI codebase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.